Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Windows login. Whenever you try to log in, you will get the error your credential could not be verified. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. At this point of time, what you need to do is to shift and restart your system. To do so, press the shift key and then click on this power off option. Make sure you press and hold the shift key and then choose the option restart. This will restart your system into the troubleshooting mode. Make sure you continue holding the shift key until your system restarts. Now once your system restarts in the troubleshooting mode, click on this option which is troubleshoot. Now click on the option advanced options. Now here first of all click on the option startup settings. Now here click on the option restart. Now go ahead and you need to restart your system into the safe mode. So you need to press the function key which is F4 because safe mode option comes at number 4. So you need to press the function key F4 to enable safe mode, and once your system restarts in the safe mode, you can easily reset your password by heading over to settings menu, choosing the accounts and sign in option to remove your PIN to fix out the issue of your credential could not be verified. However, if you are not able to log in into the safe mode, let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting steps. Now at this point of time, again restart your system into the advanced troubleshooting steps by continue pressing and holding the shift key and then choosing the option restart. Choose troubleshoot, advanced options, and this time click on the option command prompt. Select your account, sign in with your password. One more thing friends, if you are not able to reach at this command prompt screen, you need to use a Windows bootable USB, give boot using the Windows bootable USB, and then you need to click on the option repair your PC after selecting the language, and then you are welcome to this particular same screen. Now over here, first of all you need to check your Windows installation drive. So type here dir space the drive letter of your Windows installation drive, which is generally C, double dot, and hit the enter key. Now no file is found, so you need to type in again dir space the letter D, double dot, and hit the enter key. Now you can see the program files are in this particular drive D, so you need to type in the letter D as your Windows installation drive. Now type in icacls space the installation drive, which is letter D, double dot, hyphen Windows, hyphen service profiles, hyphen local service, hyphen appdata, hyphen local, hyphen Microsoft, hyphen ngc space slash t space slash q space slash c and space slash reset. Then hit the enter key. Now once the command is successfully processed, go ahead, close it, restart your PC and try to check if the issue of your credential could not be verified has been fixed out or not. If it is still there, again troubleshoot, advanced options, and open command prompt. Now here type in regedit and then hit the enter key. Now here click on the file menu and choose the option import. Now here click on this PC, open your Windows installation drive, open Windows folder, and here find system32 folder. Here it is. From the file of type, choose all files. Now here press the U key to find a file with the name utilman. Here it is. Go ahead, right click, rename, and give it a name utilman1 and hit the enter key. Now right click and refresh. Now find another file with the name cmd. Here it is. Right click, choose the option rename and give it a name utilman and hit the enter key. Again right click and refresh it. Now click on the option cancel. Close it, close it. Now choose the option exit and continue to Windows 10. Now at the login screen, click on this ease of access button. This will open command prompt to you. Now in command prompt, first of all type msconfig and hit the enter key. Now in msconfig and in general tab, choose simply the option normal start, then hit apply, OK button, and restart your PC to fix out the issue of your credential could not be verified. Now if all the method fails, you need to enable your hidden administrator account. To do so, type in net user administrator /active yes and then hit the enter key. This will go ahead and activate your administrator account. Go ahead, log in into your administrator account. The administrator account is password free, so you do not need to enter any password. Once you enter into the administrator account, you can easily reset your existing password by heading over to settings menu and choosing the account option, and this will completely fix out the issue of your credential could not be verified. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.